This is my 2015 Honda Accord, and I did have a little problem with it. And the problem was the dome light or cabin light weren't turned off when it was set to the doors. So any time the door was closed and this switch was set to door, it was on regardless. And the fault wasn't within the switch in the door, because the light on the panel this one did show that the door was closed. So it told me that the problem is not within the switch. So I did figure out that the problem is within the MICU module, and I did go ahead and order the one off eBay with the matching part number, and of course I did replace it, and the car does not start. It actually starts, it works for 1 second, and then it dies. So you can see it, and then it dies, and this little green flashing key is shown on the board, which is indicating kind of immobilizer thing. The immobilizer was triggered because this MICU module have a different VIN number donor car. This is the schematics of how you can disassemble this unit. Two Phillips screws on the top or on the bottom of this item, and you can see the arrows pointing to the clips or tabs holding those two plastic covers together. So you need to work your way just to remove the top cover. And now you can see the chip, the EPROM chip we're gonna be working with. And this video is giving you just a little overview what the contents of the MICU module looks like. So this little EPROM chip contains the data about your vehicle, probably the VIN number, I would assume. So on this picture, it was already taken out, desoldered from the original unit, and it was soldered back into the donor MICU. Or if you do have the programmer, you can simply copy the contents of the EPROM chip from the original MICU and place it back into the donor MICU. Alright, I just finished connecting all those kind of wires and connectors into this MICU module, and I still got the tag from the donor vehicle, and I connected the battery back, and now it's the moment of truth. We'll see if the new EPROM, the copy of EPROM from original MIC unit, gonna do the job. Alright, depress the brake pedal, start, and it looks like it did the trick. There is no green key flashing, the car is not dying. Obviously it got some problems because the buttons are not connected for the respective systems, and the best part, the light should turn off. Yep, so that was the whole purpose of replacing the MICU module. So if you got the same problem or different problem and you got a donor MICU unit, you can simply, maybe not simply, but I mean at least it's something that you don't need to take it to the dealer. You can copy and paste the EPROM from one to another, or if you do not have the programming equipment, you can desolder the EPROM chip from your original MICU unit and solder it instead of the chip into the donor unit. Do the same job, and hopefully it was useful for you. So thumbs up, and I'm gonna post the pictures from the programmer just for you to see how the EPROM contents looks like, and hopefully you like it. Thank you.